The lights are on at the White House, but nobody's home. That's because Donald Trump is in China meeting with its president. So why is he there and what's on the agenda? The US president is in China for his first visit in almost a decade, and China is pulling out all of the stops. Its vice president met him on the tarmac in Beijing, a high-level welcome that's a sign of respect. The itinerary is also very impressive. There will be a state banquet for Donald Trump and a visit to these scenic gardens that are on the grounds of the Communist Party's HQ. An invitation there is a sign of recognition and closeness. There will be many opportunities for Donald Trump and Xi Jinping to speak. The US has a shopping list. It wants China to buy more American products like soybeans and jetliners, and it wants help on Iran too. But what will China want in return? Well, Taiwan is on the table. Could we see the US pulling back on supplying weapons to Taiwan? There has been a warm welcome for the US president, but the next few days will show if these two powers really see eye to eye.